Welcome to the MorphNeo channel, where regular and crypto games meet. If you love regular FPS games, blockchain-based NFT and play-to-earn games, then subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to watch our videos, and stay up to date. In an industry where everybody is clamoring to build the next innovative financial technology, few have forgotten about what blockchain can offer to existing technologies. MegaCryptoPolis is a project that has stayed in its own lane, which helps it to stand out from the sea of projects that seem to consistently be copying each other. For years, many gamers have dreamed about how blockchain technology could be introduced into games. The majority of gamers were hoping it could just start with in-game wallets to trade items whilst playing. However, there is a project that has taken the blockchain gaming concept to the extreme. This project is called MegaCryptoPolis. What is MegaCryptoPolis? MegaCryptoPolis is a blockchain-based simulation city builder game that allows players to earn as they play. Every asset in MegaCryptoPolis is an NFT. These assets can be rented out, bought and sold within the game or on secondary marketplaces, or you can level up and govern a district and collect taxes. Launched in 2018, MegaCryptoPolis is a city builder strategy game where players buy land, develop it and gather resources to earn cryptocurrency. MegaCryptoPolis is similar to conventional simulation games like Cities XL and SimCity 4. There are even natural disasters like storms, fires, and floods. However, unlike these traditional games, MegaCryptoPolis players can earn as they play because it's built on blockchain technology. Success in MegaCryptoPolis largely depends on how many buildings you have, your citizens and the time you're willing to put into it. Like many other city-building games, strategy is key. MegaCryptoPolis is played in a browser, and requires a crypto wallet, either on the Ethereum or Tron network. You're required to invest some ETH or Tron to get started. If this sounds interesting, then let us go further, but before that, a short disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and consult several sources before making any investment decisions. All the information about the game in this video can be found on the game's website, in the white paper and several other sources on the internet. The information we gathered from these sources is intended to be accurate at the time of recording of this video. Please note, however, that the blockchain-based gaming world is a very fast-paced industry and is in a constant state of development and evolution. With our quick review series, we wish to give you a short summary of many blockchain games, highlighting some important features of the games, scoring and ranking them solely for orientation purposes and not for judgment. If you have already seen our previous quick review videos and know our scoring system, you can simply skip the next 2 minutes and continue with the video in the next chapter. At the end of the scoring process, an overall score will be created for each game we have reviewed. Our review and scoring system is very simple and answers the following questions. 1. Is the game already playable? If the answer is yes, then 1 point, otherwise 0. 2. Is the game free to play? If you can start to play the game without any investment, then the score is 1 point, otherwise 0. 3. What game modes are available? Is the game a PvP or a PvE game, or both modes are available? If only one mode is available, it could be PvP or PvE, then the score is 0 points, otherwise it is 1 point. 4. Is the game a play-to-earn game? For the purpose of our scoring system, the definition of a play-to-earn game is where you can directly and unconditionally earn coins, or tokens through gameplay that you can directly convert to stable coins or fiat money. If the answer is yes, then 1 point. If, however, players can earn coins upon some conditions, or players can only use the in-game currency they receive as a reward to upgrade their assets, or buy NFTs, and cannot directly convert it to real money, then the score will be 0 points. 5. The fifth question will have 2 parts. One part is whether the game token is in the first 1000 ranked by market cap on CoinMarketCap website. If yes, then half a point, otherwise 0 points. And finally, we can give half a point based on our subjective opinion of the game, where we take into consideration factors like the game itself, network, team, activity, transparency, etc. Overall, the maximum score a game can get is 5 points. Let the analysis begin. First question. Is MegaCryptoPolis already a playable game? The first step to playing MegaCryptoPolis is to get a crypto wallet if you don't already have one. You need an Ethereum-powered crypto wallet or Tron-powered crypto wallet. For an Ethereum wallet, MetaMask is a great option. Once you have a wallet, you will need to buy some Ether, ETH, or Tron, depending on the network you want to use. You can buy either of the two currencies at most major cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Binance, Gemini, or Crypto.com. With a loaded crypto wallet, follow these steps to play. Connect wallet. Go to MegaCryptoPolis's official site, hit the highlighted play button, choose your blockchain and connect your chosen wallet. View the map. Once the game loads, you're presented with a large map showing undeveloped land, developed land, and land with ongoing construction. Browse for undeveloped and unclaimed land to buy. You have a map on the lower left side of your screen to help you navigate the city. You can also buy developed land, but that's more expensive, or you can rent from another player. Develop and play. Once you buy a piece of land, you can build your desired structure and start playing. There are several structures to build, including residential, office, municipal, commercial, industrial, production and energy. All in all, MegaCryptoPolis is a playable game, therefore, we give to this topic 1 point. Score, 1. Is MegaCryptoPolis a free-to-play game? To play this game, you're going to need to invest. You must have cryptocurrency to play, and buying land is the only way to progress. MegaCryptoPolis is played in a browser and requires a crypto wallet, either on the Ethereum or Tron network. And this game isn't free to play. The point of the game is to develop a piece of land and increase its value to earn, then buy more land. Think Monopoly meets SimCity, but with more micromanaging. Increasing your piece of land's value also increases the surrounding land's value. Investors are attracted to high-value land. High-value land can help you turn a profit on your property. Besides buying undeveloped land, you can also buy developed land. This option is a bit more expensive, though. Select a building you wish to buy and make an offer to the owner. If buying undeveloped or developed land is too expensive, you can rent a building until you can get the funds to buy land and materials needed to build your desired building or structure. Building structures is how you really start to earn. There are many types of structures, each with different functions and earning methods. All in all, MegaCryptoPolis is not a free-to-play game, therefore we give this topic 0 points. Score, 0. What game modes are implemented in the game? PvP or PvE or both? According to the game guide, lots of strategies possible in the MegaCryptoPolis 3D. MegaCryptoPolis runs a decentralized model where all game assets and characters are owned by the player, and progress of the play is saved on Ethereum. MegaCryptoPolis involves taking a piece of land and developing it, like one would do with real estate in real life, so that its value increases. When it happens, you need to buy more land, just like in Monopoly. To purchase a piece of land, open a map and select where you want the land. If it is a piece already owned by another player, there will be a "for sale" sign on it. You can, however, make a good offer to the current landlord. Developing a piece of land has a ripple effect on the price of surrounding lands. This would make other players feel interested in investing in your estate, as it would also positively affect the value of their own properties. As your estate size increases, you also have the option of taking out your profits to bid for other players' buildings and take up ownership. However, if you cannot afford buildings yet, you can rent from other players who own one. Your earnings come from the profit accrued from developing land and owning buildings. You can take an undeveloped asset, develop it and then sell or put it up for rent. All in all, MegaCryptoPolis is a blockchain-based city-building strategy game that runs as a decentralized application. The game hasn't got PvE or PvP game modes, so we give this topic 0 points. Score, 0. Is the play-to-earn format implemented in the game? Can you directly earn coins or tokens by gameplay? In the game, players can collect investments and materials to build and manage real estate assets, including apartments, commercial buildings, and more. These assets generate real money through the sale and rent of virtual land and structures. In addition to building and managing property, players can also create new citizens and city services, providing even more opportunities to earn cash through virtual land and blocks. With realistic business dynamics and the ability to produce and sell resources and NFT pets, MegaCryptoPolis offers a unique and engaging city-building experience that allows players to earn real money while having fun. In MegaCryptoPolis, players can purchase blocks of land with Ethereum and use them to build various structures, such as apartments and commercial buildings, on the Ethereum and Tron blockchain technologies. These structures can generate real money through the sale and rent of virtual land and buildings. Players can also create new citizens and city services, providing additional opportunities to earn cash. The game features realistic business dynamics, allowing players to tailor their city-building strategy based on their business model and goals. Whether you want to focus on residential development or commercial enterprise, MegaCryptoPolis offers a unique and immersive city-building experience. One of the unique features of MegaCryptoPolis is its realistic business dynamics. For example, players must take into account the cost of transporting resources between blockchain technologies when building their virtual city. They can also produce energy buildings to meet the city's energy needs and create NFT pets for sale. The in-game economy is based on the Mega token, which can be used to buy, sell, and rent properties, as well as amenities and entertainments. These realistic business dynamics add depth and complexity to the city-building experience, making it more immersive and engaging for players. Summarized, MegaCryptoPolis offers several ways to play and earn. Everything in the game, including land, buildings, citizens, and pets, can be bought and sold. With a piece of land you can build buildings that enable you to earn, and you can also rent your buildings for crypto. Or, you can own a building that produces materials to sell to other players. You can earn crypto when you bid and win a district. Owning a district enables you to earn some commission for every land purchased in your district. You also get a part of the tax collected from core actions like building, destroying, or upgrading buildings. But players cannot earn coins or tokens through any gameplay. According to our set of rules, which says players can earn coins through gameplay upon some conditions, we cannot say the game is a play-to-earn game, therefore we can give 0 points to this question. Score, 0. Market cap and subjective opinion. Mega is the native token of MegaCryptoPolis. The token powers MegaCryptoPolis's macro and microeconomic system. It is an ERC-20 governance token that enables holders to get voting rights. Holders of the coin can vote for proposed game changes. Mega tokens have a fixed supply of million tokens, which have been equally distributed between the Tron and Ethereum blockchains. There are 1 million Mega tokens on the Ethereum network. The tokens can be used to play the MegaCryptoPolis game on the network. Holders of the tokens can also use them to buy materials needed to construct buildings and run business operations. Mega is not listed on CoinMarketCap website. So, the score for this is 0 points. MegaCryptoPolis is known as one of the first crypto games available, as it launched in 2018. However, there isn't much known about the developers. We located the name of Alex Lee, the chief operating officer of Supernovae.io, which is supposedly the company behind MegaCryptoPolis and the Mega World Metaverse. However, searching for Supernovae.io led to a fake site, and Alex Lee's LinkedIn profile may as well be empty. There are no faces, biographies, or even a list of team members available on MegaCryptoPolis main site, and scouring the web came up with little to nothing. While MegaCryptoPolis is considered a successful dApp, developer anonymity doesn't exactly send trust signals. When dealing with something as volatile as cryptocurrency, transparency is key. So, all in all, our subjective score based on the game, network, team, investors, activity, transparency, etc. is 0 points. Summary of our analysis. 1. Is the game already playable? Yes, it is. Score, 1 point. 2. Is the game free to play? No, to play this game, you're going to need to invest. Score, 0 points. 3. What game modes are available in MegaCryptoPolis? It is a city-building strategy game, it hasn't got a real gameplay. Score, 0 points. 4. Is MegaCryptoPolis a play-to-earn game? No, you cannot earn coins or tokens through gameplay. Score, 0 points. 5. Is it in the top 1000 by market cap? No, it isn't. Score, 0 points. Our subjective score, 0 points. The final score is 1 point out of a maximum of 5 points for MegaCryptoPolis. We hope that our quick review and comparison method we have set up has helped you to get to grips with this game, and that the analysis and overall score has helped you to make your decision to learn more about the game. What do you think about MegaCryptoPolis? Would you like to play with this game? Please share your thoughts about the game in the comment section below. Would you like to get a deeper analysis video about MegaCryptoPolis? If yes, please drop it in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give a thumb up, we would really appreciate it. In our next video we prepare a quick review about Tesatopia, so please make sure to subscribe to the MorphNeo channel not to miss it and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you next time in our next game review, gameplay, or tutorial video. Bye.